Hello everyone, this is TJ on a long-awaited update. This is my phone, but I'm not going to talk about that today. Today, my sister went to the Apple store to get a new laptop for her school, and apparently there was this thing where you get a free iPod if you get a MacBook. So, first of all, courtesy to my sister, big round of applause. So, yeah, let's see what's inside here. I think I owe her big time for this. So, she brought me an 8GB iPod Touch. Now, I would have complained a lot if my mom bought me or something. Actually, I wouldn't have complained at all, but still. I have a 30GB A2 that I use, which is almost full, actually like really full. So if I had a personal choice, I would have gotten a bigger iPod, but then again, that's ridiculously expensive, and this thing is free, and my sister got it for me, so I'm ridiculously happy and grateful and blah blah blah. So yes, the stupid box talk, it's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Yeah, whatever. So looks like we'll open it. I've seen so many unboxing videos, it's not even funny. I'm getting sick of watching and just hoping every day that, oh, when will I have my own iPod Touch? Every day. Now, I was actually thinking, since I have a prepaid contract right now for the phone, I might actually switch to a monthly plan and try to get an iPhone, which is actually cheaper than the damn iPod Touch, which makes no sense, but AT&T subsidizing the prices, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, since I got an iPod Touch, I guess there's no need anymore. Just took off the wrap here. Let's take off this thing. Oh, that feeling. Oh yeah. Ooh, looks very nice. I actually used the Friends before, so this is not all that of a encounters of a third kind or anything. But this thing, it's very elegant. I mean, following Apple's, history of designing things very sexy and very well. I mean, this definitely is in line with one of the best. So that's that. Here, this seems like some little flap. Designed by Apple in California, but of course they forget to mention everything's built in China. iPod Touch. I am a newbie, so I guess I might be like one of the few people out of like a million people who actually use iPod Touch that actually meant to read this. So, yeah. Apparently it's ultra intuitive, so I won't have to though. Here's the manual. I think it says something about charging, repairing the iPod. Yeah. Guess I'll use that when I need to. Apple stickers. I don't know where I'll use them. Put them on my Windows laptop. And here's the cleaning cloth. It says iPod on it. It's really thin. I guess it works well, sort of. I don't know if it's a dust magnet. Now let's rip open the pouch, which I'm actually fearful of because the Apple earbuds are the shittiest earbuds that I may have ever used. Partly because they completely lack bass and muddy the highs. But yeah, you get a little clear plastic thing. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, it's a stand apparently so you can prop it up. I don't know how to use that. Yeah, horrible earbuds. Probably just get another set. Dock connector number 14. Shit, should have turned macro on, my bad. USB cable, Doesn't seem to be very long, but it's usable. I saw in the iPhone unboxing videos they had a little dongle that you can connect this to make it, so you can plug it into the wall and charge. That would have been convenient if it was included in the iPod, but of course they can make an extra $30 off of everyone for that who buys it, so whatever. I mean, my charger for my A2 is broken, so I usually charge with my computer, so it's not too much of a hassle for me, I guess. So yeah, that was the unboxing video. Here, you're taking a look at the iPod Touch. Pretty thin. I think it's only a couple millimeters, like 8 gigabytes. Oh yeah, and guys, this is my new camera, yeah. So, thanks for watching.